What if I told you the reason you're stuck isn't because your goals are too big? It's because they're embarrassingly small. Think about it. Most people set reasonable goals. Lose 5 pounds, save a little money, maybe start a side hustle someday. That's not ambition, that's survival. Grant Cardone's book, The 10X Rule, calls this out. His whole point is simple. The only way to win big is to set goals that are 10 times larger than you think you can reach, and then take 10 times the action you think is necessary. Sounds extreme? Exactly. That's the point. The 10X rule starts with this. Don't aim to clean one closet, aim to clean the entire house. Don't make 10 sales calls, aim for 100. Even if you fall short, you'll still crush your normal goals. It's like training for a marathon when all you needed was a 5K. You'll dominate because you overprepared. And here's why it matters. Most of us underestimate the effort required to succeed. Life throws curveballs, delays, rejections, failures. The 10X mindset builds in a buffer. It's like leaving at 8 a.m. for a 9 a.m. meeting instead of 8:45. Traffic can't ruin your day if you planned for chaos. Cardone also says success isn't optional. It's your duty. Not chasing your full potential isn't just lazy, it's irresponsible. Because when you succeed, you don't just win for yourself. You create opportunities for your family, your team, and everyone around you. Think of your potential like a garden. If you don't water it, you're not just wasting seeds, you're depriving people who could have enjoyed the fruit. And let's talk about average. Average sounds safe, but it's really a trap. It's like treading water in the middle of the ocean. You look fine until you're exhausted, and then you sink. Blockbuster thought they were safe being average. Then Netflix sprinted past them, and the rest is history. Cardone breaks it down into 4 levels of action. Do nothing, retreat, take normal action, or take massive action. Only one of those leads to success. Spoiler, it's not normal. Elon Musk didn't take normal action. He didn't just read about rockets, he obsessed, hired the best people, and made reusable rockets a reality. That's massive action. And here's the kicker. Fear is actually a green light. That feeling in your gut when you're about to do something scary? Cardone says that's your compass pointing you toward growth. If you're scared to make the call, launch the project, or give the speech, that's probably the exact move that'll change your life. And when people start criticizing you? Good. That means you're making waves. No one talks about the invisible. Think about Taylor Swift. Her critics didn't stop her, they fueled her. Excuses, though, are the real enemy. I don't have time. I'm not ready. I don't know enough. Excuses are weeds. The longer you let them grow, the more they choke out your future. Pull them out by the root. Instead, aim for omnipresence. Don't just be good, be everywhere. Be so present people can't ignore you. And at the end of the day, success isn't about luck. It's a habit. It's the bricks you lay daily. 10 times bigger goals, 10 times bigger moves, 10 times the consistency. So how do you actually live the 10X rule without burning out? Here's the playbook. Step 1. Write down your current goals and multiply them by 10. If your goal was to save $1,000, make it $10,000. If it was to get 100 YouTube subscribers, aim for 1,000. Step 2. Make a massive action list. For each goal, write down at least 20 actions you could take. Don't censor yourself. Wild ideas included. Step 3. Schedule them. If it's not in your calendar, it's just a fantasy. Pick 3 actions and block them into your week right now. Step 4. Adopt a no excuses rule for 30 days. Every time you catch yourself saying, I can't because, stop and replace it with one tiny action you can take immediately. Step 5. Chase fear. If something makes you nervous, a presentation, a cold call, applying for that internship, that's your new to-do list. Step 6. Review weekly. Every Sunday, check your progress. Adjust, reset, and go again. Consistency builds empires. Here's the bottom line. Most people fail not because they aimed too high and missed, but because they aimed too low and hit. The 10x rule flips that. It tells you dream so big it scares you. Take so much action people can't ignore you. Refuse to settle for average because average is where dreams go to die. If you want to test this, do it tonight. Grab a notebook, write your biggest current goal, multiply it by 10, then ask yourself, what kind of person would I need to become to reach that? That question alone can change your life. So don't wait for the right time. The right time is right now. Multiply it. Take massive action and watch how your life refuses to stay small.